Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are finally getting started on clearing that wall back there that the air conditioner is on. Moving all that lumber into the Lowe's shed. Alright, as you can see, already got a good bit of stuff in here already, most of which is from the house. A lot of these like bigger things sitting out. Should be at least some of them moving out here pretty soon, and they'll go into our booth up at Nivrock's Country Store in Urbana. Anyway, we are going to be filling up that wall today with the stuff that's on the wall I showed you in the garage. Our reason for doing this is to find a permanent place for this. You can barely see it. Tool cart there. Lowe's gave us that. And also, you can barely see it down there, but that lathe. We need to find permanent spots for both of those along there. And actually, both of those things were gifted to us by Lowe's. So, big thank you to them. We'll be doing bigger videos on each one of those. We've already actually done a video unboxing and assembling the lathe. You can check that out. But a video will be coming on this. But yeah, there'll be links in the description below for both those items as well. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's get this wall cleaned up. All right, so I went ahead and put the cover up over that window where the AC unit is in. You might think it's a little early to do that. The only reason I did is because that AC unit doesn't actually work. So just went ahead and boarded that up, make it look a little neater. Just got a little bit of lumber over there to move into the shed still. And Tom's gonna have to go over what we're doing with all of that with me. So probably move those bags of concrete under that. All right, well, that's got it about as good as I can for right now. I still gotta move the concrete, but got it swept up a little bit and cleaned up. We're gonna figure out where we're mounting the lathe. I'm actually not sure where that'll be. That may be a good spot right there, but I think maybe we talked about the back corner there. Don't remember though, but we'll figure it out. For now though, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get one of these lights out and mount it somewhere. I'll show you guys. All right, so as you guys remember, or maybe you don't, or maybe you're a new viewer, but as you can see, that floor caved in inside this addition behind the house. And we'd like to get all this cleaned out. We'll be getting a dumpster here in a few weeks to get everything out of here, because there is a lot of junk. But anyway, we'll be getting this cleared out and putting a new floor in it eventually, and that'll also make for some lumber storage. But because we're doing that, we have two more lights. One of them, the plan is to go in here, but one of them was extra, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right up there by this door, the back door on the house here, if it'll fit. I think it will though. We're gonna dig it out, see, and if it fits, we're gonna put it up right there, because there's an outlet right here, and that would just be nice to have a little bit of light coming out on this deck here, and for going in there, all that. But yeah, let's do it. All right, well, I gotta be real with you guys. That worked out so much better than I thought it would. That is absolutely perfect. I love it. That's gonna be it for outside stuff today. Now what I need to do is get hangers on the backs of these pet portraits that we did. Well, clearly not all of them, but some of them need hangers. But yeah, I'll show you guys here actually. So we haven't shown these really on the channel yet. Gotta let us know what you think. We're going to be offering custom pet portraits just like these for sale on our website. But yeah, what do y'all think? All right, we're gonna call that good for this video, guys. I got some design work I'm gonna do. Nothing that's really filmable because it's just sitting on a computer. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.